Hello students, next example 9.4. Suppose while sitting in a parked car, so this car is parked at some place, so you noticed a jogger approaching towards you in the side view mirror. You are noticed that jogger is the name of some person. Okay, jogger is approaching towards your car or you. Okay, side view mirror. So the jogger approaching towards you, that is noticed in side view mirror of the car. So it is a mirror. So mirror of r equal to 2 meter. R means radius of curvature. So radius of side view mirror r equal to 2 meter. If the jogger is running at a speed of 5 meter per second. So here jogger is approaching towards you with speed is 5 meter per second. How fast the image of the jogger approaching to you move when the jogger is 39 meter, 29 meter, 19 meter, 9 meter away. So we are going to find the image of the jogger. So the jogger is moving towards the car. So where the image is formed and what is the velocity of the jogger image. Okay, so we are going to find the velocity of the jogger. Here which type of the mirror is used? Side view mirror. Generally in vehicles, side view mirror is acts as a convex mirror. What is the shape of the convex mirror? This is the convex mirror. How you say that this is convex mirror? Polished surface. This is the polished surface is towards the center. This is the center. The polished surface of mirror is toward the center, or reflecting surface is away from the center is called convex mirror. So here side view mirror is convex mirror. So its radius of curvature is 2 meter. This is the principal axis. Okay, so I am placing jogger here. Here jogger is object u. Okay, so object distance from the pole. So pole to object distance is first case 39 meter. So u value, u means object distance from the pole, that is 39 meter. So u equal to 39 meter. Apply the sign conventions. Here incident rays are this direction. We are measuring the object distance is opposite to incident ray direction. So object distance is negative. Okay, so u equal to minus 39 meter. Why? Because we are applying sign conventions. This is the center. Okay, so the distance from center of curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. So this is r. Okay, r equal to 2 meter. So radius of the curvature is 2 meter. So this is r equal to 2 meter. Applying the sign conventions, so incident rays are travel in this direction, we are measuring also in same direction. So that is positive, r equal to 2 meter. So I want focal length value. Focal length f equal to radius of curvature by 2. Substitute r value 2 by 2. So focal length f equal to 1 meter. Okay. When the object is placed here, where the image is formed, I am taking, this is the image. So image distance is denoted by letter V. Okay. And also here given jogger is moving 5 meter per second. Speed equal to 5 meter per second. I want in 1 second how many distance is travelled. So what is the speed formula? Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So speed value 5 meter per second, time 1 second. So 5 equal to distance by 1 second, time. Okay. So distance equal to 5 meter. Okay. In 1 second jogger is moving 5 meters. So I am taking 5 meter distance is here. I am taking, this is the u naught. Okay. U naught is the object distance. So u and u naught are the changes position of the object. Okay. U naught. Now what is the distance from P to u naught? Okay. This is actually 39 meter. So here distance is 5 meter. So 39 minus 5. So 39 minus 5, how much? 34. 34 meter. Here also u naught is measuring from the pole, applying the sign conventions. So u naught is also opposite direction to incident rays. So u naught value is minus 34 meter. When we are placing the jogger at u naught, so what about the image? Image I am taking the v naught. Image distance is v naught. When object is placed at u naught, image distance is v naught. When object is placed at u, image is formed at v. So here what we are going to find, the jogger is at 39 meter. How much fast the image? We are going to find the image velocity. Image velocity means change in displacement by time. So v naught both are image distance, that is also distance or not. We are taking with respect to direction, this is velocity. Now we are going to find the v naught. V naught are the image distance of jogger. According to Mirror's formula or Mirror's equation. What is the mirror equation formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, where f is focal length, u is object distance, v is image distance. I am going to find the v value. So 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So 1 by v equal to focal length value 1 minus 1 by u value. So object distance first in case 39 meter. So here u value is, after applying the sign conventions, value is minus 13. Minus to minus plus. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 39. So here LCM is 39. 39 plus 1, 40 by 39. So this is 1 by V value. I want only V value 39 by 40. This is the V value. V means image distance. Units are meter. Okay. Next I am going to find the V dash. 1 by F equal to 1 by U dash or U naught plus 1 by V naught. Okay. 1 by, I am going to find the 1 by V naught. 1 by V naught equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U naught. 1 by F value 1 by 1 minus 1 by U naught value. U naught value is minus 34. Minus into minus plus 1 by 34. LCM is 34. Here 34 plus 1. 1 by V naught equal to 35 by 34. Okay. I want V naught value. So what happened? 34 by 35 meter. So V naught value is 34 by 35 meter. So object is placed at U equal to minus 39 meter. Image is formed V equal to 39 by 40 meter distance. Next, object is placed at U naught equal to minus 34 meter. So image is formed at V naught equal to 34 by 35 meter distance. Okay. Now find the velocity of the image. So velocity of image. So what is the formula of velocity? Change in displacement by time. Change in displacement means change in image distance. Okay. So object is formed at V equal to 39 by 40 meter and 34 by 35 meter. This is the change in displacement of image. V minus V naught by T. Okay. So V value 39 by 40 minus V naught value 34 by 35 time at 1 second. Okay. Calculate this value. So velocity of image equal to, here LCM 40 into 35, 1400. So here 1365 minus here 1360. Subtract 5 by 1400. How many times gets cancelled? 280 times. So 1 by 280 meter. Okay. This is the velocity of image value. Okay. This is the answer for first case. So object is placed at 39 meter. Okay. Velocity of the image is 1 by 280 meter. Next, jogger is at 29 meter. So jogger is the object is at distance 29 meter. Apply the sign conventions. So U value minus 29 meters. It is in case 2. Okay. What about the R value? R value is same because mirror is not changes. What about the focal length? Focal length is also not change. Why? Because mirror is not changes. So u value is minus 29 meter, radius of curvature is 2 meter, focal length is 1 meter, speed of the jogger is also not changes, 5 meter per second. So u naught value, okay, here actual distance is 29 meter per second. How many distance is traveled? 5 meter. So subtract from 29 meter, so u naught value minus 24 meter. Okay, this is in case 2. So u value, u naught value, r value, f value. So we can easily find the v naught values. Case 2, okay, find the v and v naught values. According to mirror's formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We are going to find the 1 by v value, 1 by f minus 1 by u. 1 by f value 1 by 1 minus 1 by u value minus 29 meter. In case 2, u equal to minus 29 meter, 1 by 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 29. Here LCM 29 plus 1, 30 by 29. This is the 1 by v value. We are going to find the v value, 29 by 30 meter. This is the v value. Okay. Next we are going to find the 1 by v naught value. So 1 by f minus 1 by u naught value. 1 by f, 1 by 1 minus 1 by u naught value minus 24 meter. Okay, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 24, LCM 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 24. So this is actually 1 by v naught value. V naught equal to 24 by 25 meter. This is the v and v naught values. So we are going to find the velocity of the image. Okay, velocity of image. Okay, so velocity of the image formula, change in image distance by time. Okay, change in image means v minus v naught by t. V value, image distance v equal to 29 by 30 minus v naught value 24 by 25 by time at 1 second. Okay, find out this value, 1 by 150 meter per second. So velocity of image is 1 by 150 meter. When the jogger is at distance of minus 29 meter, velocity of the image is 150 meter per second. That is the velocity. Next case, case 3, jogger is at 19 meter. So next case, jogger is at 19 meter. What about the u value? Sign conventions. So minus 19 meter, that is the u value. Radius of curvature is 2 meter, that is not changes. Focal length 1 meter, speed 5 meter per second, that is also not changes. Distance 5 meter and u naught value. So the object is at 19 meters, u naught distance is, subtract 5 meters from u distance. So 19 minus 5, u naught equal to minus 14 meter. Okay, so u equal to 19 meter, u naught value is minus 14 minutes. So you can easily find the v and v naught, image distance. Case 3. According to mirror's formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Substitute values, 1 by v equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by u value. So in case 3, objective distance u equal to minus 19 meter. So jogger is at 19 meters. So 1 by 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 19. LCM is 19. 19 plus 1, 20 by 19, that is 1 by v value. I want only v value, so 19 by 20 meter. So objective distance is 19 by 20 meter. Next, find out the v naught value. 1 by v naught equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u naught. So 1 by f value 1 by 1 minus 1 by u naught value minus 14 meter. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 14, LCM is 14. 14 plus 1, 15 by 14. This is 1 by v naught value. I want only v naught equal to 14 by 15 meter. Okay, this is v and v naught values. Change in image distance. Find the velocity equal to change in image distance by time. Okay, so v minus v naught by t. So v value 19 by 20 minus v naught value 14 by 15 by 1. So find out this value. 1 by 60 meter per second, that is the velocity of image. Okay, so the jogger at distance of 19 meter, velocity of the image is 1 by 60 meter per second. Next case, in third case, jogger is at 9 meters away. So now u value is 9 meter. So object distance is minus 9 meter, r value 2 meters and focal length 1 meter and distance is 5 meter. u naught value is subtract 5 meters from the object distance u. Okay, so 9 minus 5 minus 4 meter. So u equal to 9 meter minus 9 meter, u naught equal to minus 4 meter. Okay, f value 1 meter, r equal to 2 meters. Find out the v and v naught value. You can try with same procedure we are already discussed in case 1, case 2, case 3 also. Okay, I will tell the answer. Case 4, this is the last case. The jogger at 9 meters, velocity of image. Okay, v minus v naught by t equal to 1 by 10 meter per second. In case 4, u equal to minus 9 meter, u naught equal to minus 4 meter. Okay, the velocity of image is 1 by 10 meter per second. This is the solution.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.